Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Revolt. Today we're diving into a sleek, eye-catching mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming and tech communities. The AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. It's compact, it's customizable, and yes, it comes in this bold pink and black gradient that you won't be able to take your eyes off. But is it more than just looks? Let's find out. At first glance, the AULA F75 Pro screams personality. This 75% layout keyboard features 81 keys, giving you a solid blend of functionality and desk space savings. The gradient pink and black PBT keycaps have a side-printed design, which not only gives it a modern aesthetic but also allows the RGB lighting to subtly shine through. And let's talk quality. These PBT keycaps are made using double injection molding and heat sublimation. So they're durable, sweat-resistant, and won't fade over time. The build itself is impressive. It's got a heavy-duty, gasket-style structure with 5 layers of sound-dampening material, including an extended silicone pad and a uniquely slotted PCB for each key. That means reduced noise and an ultra-soft, elastic typing feel. Basically, your fingers are getting a luxury treatment. Under the hood, the F75 Pro is as versatile as they come. You're getting tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and good old USB-C wired. It can pair with up to 5 devices at once: laptops, tablets, smartphones, gaming consoles. And switching between them is seamless thanks to shortcut keys and a dedicated side button. And for power users, this thing packs a built-in 4000 mAh battery. It's rechargeable and built to last, so you won't be scrambling for a cable mid-match or mid-project. The typing experience on the F75 Pro is where things get even better. It features LEOBOG Reaper switches, pre-lubed and ready to deliver buttery smooth keystrokes. The response is fast, the sound is satisfyingly creamy, and the stabilizers are already tuned for you out of the box. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or hammering out code, this board keeps up. And here's a standout feature for DIY lovers: it's fully hot swappable. Whether you prefer 3-pin or 5-pin switches, you can swap them in without soldering. That opens up a world of customization, from tactile to linear to clicky, however you like it. Let's not ignore the eye candy. You're getting 16.8 million RGB colors with 16 preset lighting effects built in. You can adjust brightness and speed directly from the keyboard using the multifunction knob or FN key combos. Want even more? The driver software gives you access to 10 music rhythm effects for when you're vibing. And yes, if RGB isn't your thing, you can turn it off entirely. Speaking of that multi-function knob, it's not just for show. In gaming mode, it controls lighting and effects. In office mode, it adjusts volume and media controls. Click it, spin it, long press it, it's one knob to rule them all. AULA calls this a professional gaming keyboard, and it definitely earns that title. There's N-key rollover for conflict-free inputs, and even a Win key lock to avoid accidental game exits. Macro programming is available too. Whether it's a single key function or a complex combo, you can assign and save it using the F75 driver. The compact 75% layout keeps the arrow keys intact, which is great not only for gaming but also for editing, coding, and day-to-day productivity. It strikes a perfect balance: less clutter, more power. So who is the AULA F75 Pro for? Honestly, anyone who wants a compact mechanical keyboard with serious features and a bold design. Whether you're a gamer, a student, a programmer, or just someone who appreciates a good typing experience, this one checks a lot of boxes. That's it for today's Review Revolt breakdown. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or want to see a head-to-head with another board. Until next time, keep typing and keep revolting.